Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken katsu curry. Chicken katsu curry is Japanese curry with chicken cutlet. Using off-the-shelf curry cubes, it's much easier than it looks. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this chicken katsu curry, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken breasts, 1 onion, 1 teaspoon each of soy sauce and garlic paste, Japanese curry cube. I'm using half of the box today. About 2 cups panko breadcrumb, some salt and pepper, about 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 cups of Japanese rice. I'm going to start with rice, so let's rinse it. Add some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. Put the rice in the pot. And add water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1, and I'm cooking 2 cups of rice today, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water more than half an hour. It's to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. The rice has been soaked for half an hour, so let's start to cook. Just turn the heat on and bring it to boil. In the meantime, let's get to the curry sauce. So onion, cut the top off and keep the bottom on. Cut it into half and peel the skin. When I make regular Japanese curry, I use some other vegetables too, like carrot and potato. But today it's chicken katsu curry, so it's onion only. Make some slits here. And slice. Same for the other half. Onion is done, and now I can see and hear the rice is boiling. Turn the heat to low, as low as you can go, and set the timer for 12 minutes. Back to the curry sauce. Heat up some vegetable oil, about a tablespoon in the pot. And saute minced onion until it's wilted. Onion is wilted. So let's add some water by following the instruction on the package. Mine says 500 ml. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Every family has their secret ingredients when they make Japanese curry, and these 2 are my secret ingredients. Some people put a piece of chocolate, little bit of instant coffee or mango jam. So play with it and find your favorite secret ingredients. Put the lid on and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Now, the rice has been cooked for 12 minutes. Kill the heat, keep the lid on and let it steam at least for 10 minutes. I cooked the onion for 7 minutes and it's completely cooked, so it's time to add the curry cubes. As I said, I'm using half of the box. On the back side of the package, there are lines, so break it using the lines. Turn the heat off and then add curry cubes. It's very important that the heat is off when you add the curry cubes. So heat off. Dissolve the curry cubes completely with the heat off. When the curry cubes are completely dissolved, turn the heat back on and cook for 1 to 2 minutes as we constantly mix it. It's very easy to burn. Nice and thick. Turn the heat off and the curry sauce is ready. Rice is ready and the curry sauce is ready, so it's time to get to the chicken katsu. So I have chicken breast here. Remove the skin and trim all the fat. It's too thick to make chicken katsu, so let's cut it into half this way. And using back side of the knife or meat mallet, beat it to tender lines. On both sides. Do the same for the other chicken breast. Some salt and pepper on both sides of the chicken. Okay, let's spread them. About a cup of water into a cup of flour. And mix it well. So it's like a loose pancake dough. If it's too loose, add some extra flour, and if it's too thick, add some extra water. Chicken in the batter. Make sure it's all coated. Then panko breadcrumb. Press it gently so the panko stays raw. All breaded, so let's fry them. I'm heating up some vegetable oil, canola oil to be specific, of a medium to medium high heat. Let's check the temperature by dropping a little bit of leftover butter into the oil. If the butter hits the bottom and comes up immediately, just like it did, it's the right temperature. So let's put the chicken one by one gently into the oil. And fry them for about 3 minutes on each side. golden brown. Looks good on the other side too, so let's take them out. Finally, it's time to serve. So let's cut the chicken katsu into strips. When you cut chicken katsu, don't slice, chop it. If you slice, the panko crust will fall off, so chop, don't slice. The rice should be ready by now. Fluff it. Serve it here. On one side. Then chicken katsu goes like this. And the sauce here. So the rice is like a pillow and the curry sauce is like a blanket for chicken katsu. Some dried parsley for the nice color. And chicken katsu curry is ready to go. Time for the tasting. We use spoon, not chopsticks, when we eat curry. So let's cut the chicken katsu into bite-sized pieces. Rice, chicken katsu, and sauce together. Itadakimasu. It's perfect. The rice is so fluffy, chicken katsu is crispy or almost crunchy on the outside, and the curry sauce is so rich and creamy. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Chicken katsu curry is rice with main on top, so let's put it here and nothing here. Something light for the side dishes, so how about nori lettuce salad for one of them and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. Miso soup or any soup you like here and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.